I had my Christmas shopping done in August this year, so this present is for me. Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm the photo editing lead here at Zulily. I run a team of retouchers who make sure that all of the images you see on our site look fantastic. Historically, what I've bought on our site is probably a lot of shoes. I really like shoes. My favorite pairs of shoes have come from our site. I actually have three pairs. I have 3 pairs of shoes that I really like that I bought on our site. The first pair was a great pair of slingback flats from CL by Chinese Laundry. Those I wear constantly throughout the summer. Actually, a pair I'm wearing right now, really great red booties from Beast. I always get compliments on these, literally every time I wear them. So the item I'm gonna be unboxing with you guys today is actually my very first home purchase out of all of the purchases I've made on Zulily. This is the first time that I've purchased something from our home goods. And it's actually a natural jute rug from Safavea. I had my Christmas shopping done in August this year, so this present is for me. I'm very excited to open it. Also very heavy. Okay, it has a little thing all about it. So let's open this bad boy up. Ta-da! I have 2 dogs and 2 cats. Obviously, our house gets very messy. Lots of fur, lots of mud. We wanted something that's really gonna hold up against all of these dog paws and cat claws and everything. And so we felt like a natural jute fiber rug was gonna be really good. This is really hefty. So we wanted something that would look really nice, but also stand up. So it's got a really great black and tan chevron pattern, which will go with just about anything. It's gonna just really stand out against a nice blonde wood floor. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. You guys should all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And tell me what you guys bought for yourselves for this holiday season. Because if you're like me, and you've been done since August, it's time to treat yourself.